Hello and welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus 4 whole square is equals to 49, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. Here we use the very nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that if we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. You see that this term is our a and this term is our b, so we just substitute the values of a and b into the below formula, and we write our given equation as this will becomes x square plus 2 times of x into 4 plus 4 square is equals to 49. And here we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have x square plus 2 times 4 becomes 8x plus this is 4 square, and 4 square becomes 16 equals to 49. And further in the next step we move the term 49 to the left hand side, and we get x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 49 is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have x square plus 8x, and this is 16 minus 49 is equals to, here we get this is minus 33, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that after this little bit substitution we convert our given question into the quadratic form. So you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. You can use any method which you want, but here I can use the factorization technique to solve this problem. So here for this we need to make the factors of this equation, and for this we just break its middle term, and its middle term is plus 8, and we write it as plus 11x minus 3x. So you see that 11 minus 3 becomes plus 8, and 11 times minus 3 becomes minus 33, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we take common x from the first two terms, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are x plus 11, and from here we take common minus 3 and we get the remaining values are x plus 11, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Further we take common x plus 11 from here, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get x minus 3 is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus 11 equals to 0. The second case is we write x minus 3 is equals to 0. From here we move plus 11 to the right hand side, and we get x is equals to minus 11, and from here we move minus 3 to the right hand side and we get plus 3. So these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus 4 whole square is equals to 49, and we substitute here we substitute the value of x is equals to minus 11, and in this side we verify x is equals to plus 3. So first we put x is equals to minus 11 into the left hand side, and we get minus 11 plus 4 whole square is equals to 49 or not. This is the our claim. So minus 11 plus 4 is equals to minus 7 square is equals to 49. So you know that minus 7 square becomes 49 equals to 49. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value x is equals to minus 11 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we verify the second value of x. So we put x is equals to 3 into the left hand side, and we get 3 plus 7 whole square is equals to 49, and 3 plus 7 becomes 7 square equals to 49, and here we get 49 is equals to 49. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that both the values are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is x is equals to 3 and minus 11. So this is our final answer, which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. And for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x plus 4 whole square equals to 49. So this is the our given question statement. And our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here we use the square root technique to solve this problem for the values of x. So for this we will apply square root on both of the sides, and this will be written as in this form. So further in the next step we need a more simplification here. You see that this 2 and the square root are cancelled out by each other, and in the left hand side we get x plus 4 only. Then in the right hand side we have this is square root of 49. We know that square root of 49 becomes here 7. Further you see that we apply square root on both of the sides, so that we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. And now we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus 4 is equals to positive 7. The second case is we write x plus 4 is equals to negative 7. And here we move plus 4 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to 7 minus 4, and 7 minus 4 becomes here 3. So this is the value of x. In the same pattern we move this plus 4 to the right hand side, and we get x is equals to minus 7 minus 4, and we get here x is equals to minus 7 minus 4 becomes here minus 11. So you see that in the second method we again get the two values of x, and these values are 3 and minus 11, which we can get here in the first method. Also in the first method we already verified that both of these two values of x satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that the solution set of this question is 3 and minus 11. So this is our final answer. I hope so you like this method, but if you have another method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Also please remember these steps to solve this type of question. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.